ClearTax tax software review usage experience. ClearTax is a popular tax filing and compliance software primarily aimed at individual, small businesses, and tax professionals. It simplifies income tax filing, GST return, and TDS filing with a user-friendly interface. And here are the key features about this platform, which is ClearTax, which is a ClearTax software, and also they offer a quick guided e-filing for individual and businesses with automated GST return filing and reconciliation, and also the simplified TDS return preparation and submission, and also tax saving investment option and calculators, and also they offer a integration which connects with accounting software like Tally. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So going for the pros, then talk about the cons of the platform. So starting with the pros, they offer easy to navigate interface with suitable for beginners and accurate tax calculation with minimal errors. Then also they'll provide an affordable pricing, especially for small businesses and individuals. And also they offer helpful customer support via chat and email with regular updates to match tax regulation changes rather. Then here's the downside about this platform, which is the con. So there's a limited features for complex tax scenarios in large operation, and also occasional issues with server downtime during peak filling period, and also advanced features required higher size subscription. And here the final verdict about this platform: ClearTax is an excellent choice for individual freelancers and a small business looking for a simple, cost-effective tax solution. However, large corporation with more complex tax need may need a more comprehensive platform.